Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and I'm so excited to share with you this video on a 2008 Mercedes SL55. This is a very rare offering, and less than 1,000, I don't know the exact number, but I know it was only a few hundred of these were imported in 2008, and could be very, very few with this color combination. We're going to start from the most exciting part of this car. It's the engine that was hand assembled at the AMG factory by this engineer. We're going to start from the cold start, and to confirm that it is in fact a cold start, I'm going to put my hand on the coolant lines on the top of the engine. I don't think I can reach the exhaust manifold, but as you can see, I'm putting my hand in there. It is a completely, totally cold engine, and we're going to get it started. So let's hear it. And check out the color combination. Oh, it is something else. We're going to pop the... Oops. Yeah, and we're going to spend some time with this video, and I'm going to show you around this vehicle. It is a spectacular vehicle, and we know the history of it very, very well. Okay, so let's put the key in. It has, at the time of this cold start, it has 36,040 miles. And last time we sold the car, it had just a little over 30,000 miles. Beautiful sound. As you can see, there is absolutely no smoke. It is a clean cold start. Nice tone from the exhaust. RPMs are settling down a little bit. We're going to get to the engine. Beautiful sound. You can hear a little bit of the injector sound. Very, very quiet. We're going to give it a couple of quick revs, but we're going to have it warmed up for a minute or so. In the meantime, we will take a quick walk around the vehicle. I'm going to back it up a little bit for better lighting. It is so nice to get in the cabin. It is literally close to new vehicle condition. Yeah, the sound that you hear are the tires on the slippery floor. Look at this beauty. Look at this magnificent piece of engineering produced at the AMG factory in Germany. So we got the engine not quite at the full operating temperature, but it's warming up. As you can see, it's at about 60 degrees Celsius, which will get us going. So let's give it a couple of blimps of throttle. Go ahead. Wow. It sounds awesome. It sounds absolutely phenomenal. We'll get to the engine compartment and hear it this way. And by the way, when I'm looking at the front of the engine, at the front of the vehicle, it is in spectacular condition, minimal to no imperfections. And we will get the hood open. Again, it sounds awesome. Let's give it a couple of glimpses of throttle. Instant response, no delay from the supercharger. And this car feels on the road unbelievable. I had a pleasure of spending some time driving this particular car, and it tracks beautiful. It has no shimmy, it has no vibrations. The tires are Michelin, they're in excellent condition. The rims are in excellent condition, minimal to no imperfections on the lips of the rims. This is just from the tire installation. We'll clean this up. And by the way, you're looking at the vehicle that was just traded in. Yeah, rims are in excellent condition. So let's look at the operation of the top. It is a full hardtop. As you can see, all the hinges and everything inside is in incredible condition, and the top itself has panorama roof built right in the top itself, so you can have a four-season convertible with the roof up or down. Check this out. The glass starts from the very beginning here, runs across of the roof and transition into a full back glass panel. We are closing, or actually I should say opening the roof. It's a very fast roof system, and actually a very reliable one. We've been servicing Mercedes for over 30 years at AlphaCars, and we have seen minimal to no issues with these tops. So let's continue on with the interior. The interior is in exceptional condition with minimal to no signs of typical wear that you find even on much newer, well-maintained vehicles. The best part, I think, about this particular one is its unique color combination. As I said, there were only a few hundreds imported of the SL55 in 2008, and we don't know how few had this color combination. The leather is nice and smooth, and it's not your typical red interior. I wouldn't even call it brick. It is a interesting transition from red to I would say even, Jesus, like a little bit of gray in it. It's definitely very, very special. To top that off, this vehicle comes with a true factory AMG factory installed carbon fiber center console. As you can see right here, we opened up cup holders to show that they work awesome. All the buttons and all the controls are in excellent condition. There are no signs of wear or smudging on the white writing. The buttons themselves are not sticky. Very, very nicely kept automobile. And as we walk around the vehicle, you can see minimal to no imperfections. There's a little bit of light scuffing on the entrance point. You can see right here when someone brings their foot in and out, you can see very, very light scuffing on the sill plate, and that's what it's designed for. On the passenger side, it's in impeccable, close to new condition. The passenger side all around also looks just as the driver's side. Very, very nice. Well, this car, when it was sold new, it was almost $140,000. In 2008, it was a lot of money, probably close to $180,000 in today's equivalent. The options that it has a voice control, this little lever right there. behind the pedal shifter. It also has a premium package, which was not uncommon for the SL in general. And then it has a Partronic panorama roof with sunshade, which is outstanding, electronic trunk closer. And it sounds like the carbon fiber possibly was standard on the SL, because I don't see it as a listed option, but it does have that, which is awesome. The center armrest is in impeccable condition. It does have a windbreaker, which is right here, and you can see it looks very, very nice with it, and it's functional. As far as condition of the exterior paint, it is very, very special and lines up with the quality of this vehicle. There are absolutely no imperfections that I can see. It is very, very clean. All body panels are original. The vehicle has had no accidents. It has documented service history, and we know for a fact that we refinished the hood before we sold it to the previous owner. It had a couple of small chips, and we refinished it, and of course the paint job that we did, it does match Mercedes quality, and the panel and the color and even the texture of the finish matches both fenders. We also know by using the paint meter tool that right rear quarter panel in the past has had cosmetic repairs. There were no signs of any body repair, but it was resprayed, beautifully done. If we didn't have the paint meter, we wouldn't be able to detect that. But again, it's beautifully done, and it was done most likely during the first ownership. So we invite you to check if this vehicle is still available on our website, AlphaCars.com. It is one of the finest examples that you're going to find today. Between its extraordinary cosmetic condition and top-notch mechanical condition, this car is an outstanding value for any automotive enthusiast, especially if you're looking for a nice budget convertible. Thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars. This is taken in our Acton showroom on Route 2A in Acton, Massachusetts. And we were looking at the 2008 Mercedes SL55 with 36,000 miles. Thank you.